doesn't have a lot of overhead supply. You're not looking at people that are just been waiting and looking at a dead stock for 5 years and then now it's coming up. I mean, there are a lot of things that you can get from reading into the companies and kind of learning a little bit more about this than just saying, I'm gonna open up an account, I'm gonna buy stuff and just hope I win. And I don't know, I want to get in. I don't want to be the one that's missing out on all this hype. So just do due diligence, start learning. That's why you're here, right? So welcome, and you took the first step. Let's get you to the newsletter here. All right, we got the daily newsletter, Elite Trading. It's 2/22/2021. Quote of the day: learn every day, but especially from the experience of others. It's cheaper. John Bogle. Bulls, Apple, AAPL. We have AESE. We have NAKD, FUBO, NEON. I think there's a dip to be bought on some of these stocks. And I don't think that they're going to just continue to go down on these big tech names. But there's been a nice little turnover here. Looking for some movements there. And we'll see what happens. NEON, we called that out around $6. We even had it on one of the other shows out there. And, now it's still sitting pretty good for us. We like that one. NAKD is a red one for me right now. I haven't looked at the AESE position, but I think that's still in the red a little bit. FUBO, we're going to be watching in that one and put that on the watch list due to John M. this morning in the group. Thanks, John M., for that FUBO call. So we'll take a look at that. Bears, BEARS. Bears, what do we got, baby? BYND, DNN, BVS, TLRY, and CTRM. Drop them in there. Drop your comments. Hit that like button. Come on, guys. You know what to do. Let us know, what tickers are you looking at? What are you wanting us to review? Is there a chart that you would like to see in the live chat today? Is there anybody that needs anything? Where are you people? Is there anybody out there listening? Major stock indices for the daily news here. We have major stock indices fell slightly this morning during early pre-market hours. Tesla, TSLA. Who was that? Who's Tesla? Do we know about them? Pulls the base Model Y SR Plus after just releasing it last month. That was quick. Boeing 777 jets are under inspection after an engine caught flame and dropped parts off the plane into Denver. Hopefully you weren't the guy that was sitting out getting ready to go skiing or something and got a nice big part from a plane falling over your head into your driveway. Boeing dropped 4% on this. Let's take a look at that real quick here. See if I can pull this up for you. Yeah, that was the picture of the actual plane's engine on fire, and then it continued to drop some parts on over Denver there. So that was footage from a passenger in the plane on the plane, and to me that's craziness. But let's get over here back to the news here. Sorry, let me fix this. Got it. Boom, look at me. I'm a pro. You guys didn't see that, okay? All right, so metals, miners, and financial stocks were the strongest last week and may see continued growth into this week. Watching gold. I like gold. I'm bullish to the gold trend here. BTC soared up above 58,000 on Saturday, which is an all-time high. Go Bitcoin. Woohoo. Woohoo. If you're in that, good for you. Glad you got some monies. Trading tips. Set a risk-reward limit on your trades. Understand what market making is. Are you a market maker? Probably not. If you're listening to this show, no. But there are people out there making the markets for you, and they're creating an opportunity that you guys don't want to miss out on. If you don't know about liquidity, if you don't know about spread prices, and you don't know about what this tax can do to us, as financial tax, so just be careful. It's only going to hurt us retail traders. It's not going to hurt the big guys that people think it's going to hurt. Don't listen to everything you hear in the news. If you see it here, it's true. No. So we got the watching list: AAPL, GM, X, AESE, and NAKD on that watch list still. Beautiful art done by our marketing team. I love that one. I think I'm going to actually get this as a hoodie, as like an all-over hoodie. I don't know. So I like that one. Thanks for being a part of this group. We always have to thank you at the end of this because we appreciate you guys. We wouldn't do this without you. Actually, we would. I would still do this with or without you. Not going to lie. I do this every morning for the team, and we're going to continue to do it. So if you like what you see, hit that like button. If you don't, hit that like button anyway. Helps me out. You might show this might show up on somebody's live feed to join in. That might be a friend of yours that you don't know trade stocks, and it might help them out. So if you want, share it. You guys can actually share this. If you shared this, it would make it even better. But let's go over some chart. Let's look at some charting information. I got 1152 on the level here for Ford. We've got a high of 1209 for our target there, just from whenever we put in these levels. It looks like it broke after it hit that $10 line, and then bing, 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 went up to there. Hit there just almost, and then come back down here, and now we're in a range. So what we would do here is I would like to add a blue line in this area where I've seen some resistance, and we're going to do it one more time right in here. And so you have a trading range of about 20 cents right there. So not much, but it's something. So keep that in mind. You got it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. You could have made about 20 cents, or 15 to 20 cents. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here on the 1-day chart. Look at the daily. Look at all them lines, man. How does he even know what to do with all this information? Hard work and a lot of time and a lot of losses. That's how we learn. So we are rocking and rolling here. We have 12.15 on that one up there. So, watch out. If it breaks out of here, you might get some nice move. That would be your move. But other than that, this chart's not looking too terrible to me. So what was the one that you guys wanted me to look? No, that was one can. Down to $3.33 in the pre-market. This does not look healthy to me, but I would say there you go, 1833. You get a 50% retracement on this. I mean, if you take out half the move there, watch out for that area. Yeah, I won't be trading that one, I don't think. Apple down $2. $2 on big old Apple, but it hit, see, bounce. Let's see if they get some love today, or they continue to beat this thing up. Where can it go? I'm probably trading this range here between 130 and 127. Might even give you all the way down to the 123-ish, 124 level maybe, but I'd like to see some rebound here. I'm long Apple, full disclosure, so trend change. Let's see if it gets up. We need to break past this 130 and then keep on moving is what we need. Let's pull up. Get you where you can see the ticker. Let's go with DKNG. Look at that bad boy. Up 33 cents in the pre-market. Not getting hit by the down day in the S&P. Let's see. I love that one. When we wrote this in on a training session, we were like, hey, it's going to be 44 before that Tuesday. And then this was probably back here. Or no, it was down on the dip. I'm sorry. It was in this area. And then it went all the way back up. So I haven't charted this one in a while, as you can see, so let's get in here. So I'm marking that area because I want to know, and I usually put a red one at these bottoms. It's a bottom wick, bottom of a candle. on the last time it did before it came up. So I want to know where that was, but then I'm going to break it down and go a little bit deeper in here and try to get the story told a little better. So I like right here where all these, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's going to be your support level that I can see. I'm going to put this called the gold level. That's what I like to do. And then we want to look for it to break past here. For a target. And then I would look for this area as support, as a blue line, most likely. This will be a line that gets touched for a little bit. And then now we can go down all the way to the 5 minute. So if we're going to day trade and intraday trade this thing, so where would I want to find some areas? And that's when we're going to make these. Green. Ugh, that's ugly. So there's the level here. I like this. And I'm going to probably pull this. It may not even let us get it, but I like it right there. Yep, so I like it right in between that area of 58.60 and 59.10, and then if you get down to the nitty gritty on it, you see it's about right there, yeah, 59.10. So if it doesn't let you get that area again, then it'll probably consolidate between these levels right here, and you'll see it chop around on DKNG. We'll see there. Plug, I know that was the one we called back a long time ago. Took a hit on that trying to short it. It's down 71 cents. Can't go against Kathy Wood, I guess, and she's showing you. Got a nice dip down here to 47. Regained almost $10 of that move back. You know, this thing could keep going here. Hard to tell on this one. Possible retest, come back here to try to retest part of this move before it runs out, but we'll see. Checking out X today. Let's see how X is doing. Sorry, I'm going to take a look at someone's messaging me here, and I want to see what they're saying because I don't want to miss out if there's something you guys want us to put in here. While I take this little second, hit that like button, hit that share, comment below, tell us what you think. What would you like to see more of? What would you like to see less of? You want us to bring more people on the show? Do you want to have write-ups? You want us to have more in the newsletter? Give us your opinions. Work has been just chilling from December to February 23rd. This is one of the ones where I tell you that I see when I look for something that's been in consolidation. I mean, man, they're writing some covered calls for 45 and selling them puts for 39, and they're just making that money every week right here. Every week, guys. These people are these controlled candles in my mind are being played out to the fullest, and then it's going to go and rip down, and you're going to see it take out these levels, and then it's going to shoot higher. That's my opinion. It all matters. If it breaks here, it goes down. If it breaks this line right here, it's going to go up. It's going to trigger, and it's going to tell everything to start buying up. So 44.65, mark my words. All right, guys. I'm going to jump out here and get into the live chat with everybody. We've been on live for almost 20 minutes. That's one of our longer streams in the morning. So hopefully you guys like this show. Hopefully you want us to do this more. Smash that like button. Get in. Support the group. Get in the live chat. We have a paid server. We have a private server for you guys. We have 3, actually, but one of them is to get you guys, all the training you want with one-on-one schooling. And we also have live chat that's just free for you guys to come in and take a look at and hang out with the group and share your ideas and maybe grow a little bit. So if you want to, join in with us. See you soon. Check us out on all the social media platforms and keep following. Stay in the green, my friends. This is Kaler, and stay blessed.